Good morning, students. Welcome to English class. Today we will explain you the topic adverbs. What is an adverb? An adverb modifies the meaning of a verb, an adjective, another adverb, a phrase or even a sentence. Means जो adverbs है हमारे verbs को adjective और other adverb होते हैं जो noun ना उसमें मीनिंग को ऐड करते हैं. दे टेल हाउ व्हेन और वेयर समथिंग हैपन. वो हमें बताते हैं कब कहाँ कैसे कुछ हुआ, क्या घटित हुआ, क्या हैपन हुआ. टाइप्स ऑफ एडवर्ब्स. देयर आर 7 टाइप्स ऑफ एडवर्ब्स. एडवर्ब्स ऑफ मैनर, एडवर्ब्स ऑफ प्लेस, एडवर्ब्स ऑफ टाइम, adverbs of frequency, adverbs of degree, relative adverbs and sentence adverbs. Adverbs of manner. These adverbs tell us how or in what way or manner an action is taken. Adverb of manner gives us the answer of how. हमें बताता है कि जो हमारा एक्शन हुआ है, हमारे सब्जेक्ट का एक्शन हुआ है, वो कैसे हुआ है. Some adverbs of manners are easily, graciously, slowly, silently, noisily, correctly, meekly. See the examples. The lamb meekly looked at the wolf. लैम ने वुल्फ को मीकली देखा. मीकली मतलब साइलेंटली, क्वाइटली, चुपचाप देखा. तो इन दिस सेंटेंस मीकली इज गिविंग द आंसर हाउ डिड द लैम लुक एट द वुल्फ. सी द नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल. ही ग्रेशियसली एक्सेप्टेड द इन्विटेशन. इन दिस सेंटेंस ग्रेशियसली इज आवर टाइप ऑफ मैनर, एडवर्ब्स ऑफ मैनर. It is telling us, giving us the answer, how did he accept the invitation. See the third. He was doing his work silently. It is giving the answer, how was he doing his work. Now, position of manner in a sentence. It is mostly put in the and, but sometimes it is also positions in the middle. See the examples. He promptly replied to my question. He replied to my question promptly. He walked slowly. But it is mostly positions at the end. Adverbs of place. These adverbs tell us the place where an action occurred or will occur. एडवर्ब्स ऑफ प्लेस हमें इस बात का आंसर देता है कि जो एक्शन हुआ है वो कहाँ पर हुआ है और कहाँ होगा. सम एडवर्ब्स ऑफ प्लेस आर आउटसाइड, इनसाइड, देयर, हियर, अपस्टेयर्स, एनीवेयर, समवेयर, डाउनस्टेयर्स. सी द एग्जाम्पल्स. शी रैन डाउनस्टेयर्स विदाउट सेइंग एनीथिंग. वह बिना कुछ कहे सीढ़ियों से नीचे भागी. In this sentence, our adverb of place is downstairs because it is giving the answer where did she run. In second sentence, she stood here for 2 long hours waiting for you. In this sentence, here is adverb of place because it is giving the answer of where did she stand. Position in a sentence. Position of adverbs of place in a sentence. They also go in the end position. ये mostly ये भी end position में ही put किए जाते हैं. But sometimes these are used in the beginning while writing, especially dramatic also. Okay. Adverbs of time. These adverbs tell us about the time when an action takes place. These adverbs answer the question when. Adverbs of time हमारे इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर देते हैं कि ये एक्शन कब हुआ, when it happened. Some adverbs of time: tomorrow, today, yesterday, now, then, ever, soon, already, ago, recently, formerly, lately. See the examples. He met me recently. In this sentence, recently is an adverb of time because It is telling us when did he meet me. Next, what are you doing now? अब तुम क्या कर रहे हो? Now is an adverb of time. She visited her parents yesterday. वह कल अपने पेरेंट्स से मिलने गई. Yesterday is an adverb of time telling us when did she visit her parents. Adverb of time. Position in a sentence of adverbs of time. These are usually placed in the end. ये भी यूजुअली एंड में ही प्लेस किए जाते हैं, बट इन केस वी वांट टू एम्फेसाइज द एडवर्ब वी यूज़ इट इन द बिगिनिंग. लेकिन जब कभी हमें एडवर्ब पर एम्फेसाइज करना होता है तब इसको शुरू में यूज़ किया जाता है. सी द एग्जाम्पल्स. आई एम गोइंग टू मीट माई पेरेंट्स टुमारो. कि कल मैं अपने पेरेंट्स से मिलने जा रहा हूँ. तो इन दिस सेंटेंस यू विल सी टुमारो इज इन द एंड. Yesterday he made a big announcement. Now, in this sentence, we are using adverb yesterday in the beginning because we are emphasizing the adverb yesterday कि कल उसने एक बहुत बड़ी announcement की. Adverbs of frequency. These adverbs tell us how often an action occurs. ये एडवर्ब्स हमें बताता है हाउ ऑफन एन एक्शन अकर्स, कि जो हमारा एक्शन हुआ हाउ ऑफन कितनी बार हुआ है. सम एडवर्ब्स ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी आर रेयरली, फ्रीक्वेंटली, ऑफन, अगेन, ओकेजनली, एनुअली, डेली, सेल्डम, वंस, हार्डली, वीकली. पोजिशन ऑफ एडवर्ब्स ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी इन अ सेंटेंस. These adverbs are used mostly in the mid position. ये ज़्यादातर mid positions में इनको use किया जाता है. But sometimes go in the front and end positions. If we have two more than one verb, auxiliary and main verb in the sentence, then we position the adverbs of frequency between the auxiliary and main verb. But if we have one verb only main verb, then we position the adverb of frequency before the main verb. See the examples. The class rarely went for the field trips. Went is our main verb, so we have positioned our adverb rarely before the went. Sometimes we use it at the end also. We visit our grandparents frequently. We attend the weekly yoga session in the society. I usually go for a walk in the morning. Sometimes she was in a meditation mood. Adverbs of degree. These adverbs tell us the extent or degree to which an action takes place. ये adverb हमें बताते हैं how much. How much मतलब कितना. How often means कितनी बार. How much कितना या in what degree action takes place. These adverbs give us the answer of the question how much or in what degree. Some adverbs of degree vary much, really, extremely, almost, partly, enough and little. They are extremely happy at the achievement of their son. ये बहुत ज़्यादा खुश है अपने बेटे की अचीवमेंट्स पर. मतलब कितने खुश है, बहुत ज़्यादा. They really liked my paintings. उन्हें मेरी पेंटिंग वास्तव में बहुत पसंद है. कितनी पसंद है, वास्तव में बहुत पसंद है. Position in a sentence. They are used mostly before the adjective or adverb they qualify. जो हमारा एडवर्ब्स ऑफ डिग्री है वो हमारा एडजेक्टिव और एडवर्ब होता है जो सेंटेंस में दे क्वालिफाई, इसको ये क्वालिफाई करते हैं. जैसे कि रियली, वेरी, क्वाइट, यूजुअली गो इन मिड पोजिशंस. A lot and a bit usually go in and positions. See the example. He is very clever. Very is adverb and clever is an adjective. So we have positioned the adverb very before the adjective.